Hi Gipsters, today I'm going to show you a really awesome tool that you can use for checking out books online so that you can be reading 30 minutes every day and hitting our AR goals. So this tool is called Epic. To log in, you want to first go to this website, www.getepic.com/students. Then you want to enter this class code. This is the code for our class. And then you want to select your name. This screenshot is on your classwork for your reference too. I'm going to click Try the Student Experience so you can see what it would be like for you when you log in. When you go to that website and enter that code, you should see Welcome to Miss Roman's class, the class code, and all of the students in our class. Because there's so many students in our class, I'm going to search for my name. And for me, I'm going to use Guest Student. Once I click on my name, I can see all of these awesome books to choose from. A really good idea is to click this AR button so that you can explore by your reading level. Now, when we're talking about reading level, we're talking about that ATOS score we learned about earlier today. So I'm going to assume a ATOS score of 6.0 to 6.9. So I've looked at the comments in my classwork, I've seen my own ATOS score, and I know that it's somewhere in this range. Now I'll see a bunch of different books that are in that range. When I click on a book, it lets me know what the exact AR level is. So it's kind of covered up by my picture here, but it says 6.0 AR level there. From there, I can go to the edge of the page and read the whole book in order. So just like reading this book in the library at school, I can read this on my Chromebook. Hope you enjoy using Epic. If you decide to use this for your first book today, make sure that you are keeping track of what book you're using, what the ATOS score is, and remembering how to get back to this page.